Hello, amazing learners! Welcome to our reading adventures. In this lesson, we will learn to read words with a long vowel E sound. Alone, the letter E makes the sound E. But when there are two letter E's together, they make the sound E. Say E. Say the sound after me. E. 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 Now let's learn to read words with the E sound. B. E. B. B. F. E. Fee. Fee. T. E. T. T. D. E. D. Deed. Deed. F. E. D. Feed. Feed. N. E. D. Need. Need. R. E. D. Read. Read. S. E. D. Seed. Seed. W. E. D. Weed. Weed. H. E. L. Heel. Heel. P. E. L. Peel. Peel. W. E. L. Wheel. Wheel. P. E. K. Peak. Peak. L. E. K. Leak. Leak. Now it's your turn to read the words on your own. The letter E and the letter A together also makes the sound E. Say the sound again. E. Repeat the sound after me. E, E, E. Now let's read more words with the E sound. T, E, T, T. B, E, D, bead, bead. B, E, K, beak, beak. B, E, N, bean, bean. L, E, D, lead, lead. L, E, K, leak, leak. B, E, T, beat, beat. H, E, T, heat, heat. M, E, T, meat, meat. N, E, T, neat, neat. S, E, T, seat, seat. R, E, D, read, read. W, E, K, week, week. Now try reading the words on your own. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.